This is Prophetess Sylvia Sanford here in Miami, Florida, where I am today. And I just want to wish the man of God, Prophet Jeremiah, a happy, happy birthday. We are so blessed by your life. I pray that the Lord continue to give you the strength for you to continue being a father to thousands and thousands all over the world. Thank you for the price that you pay daily. Thank you for the manifestation of miracles that takes us to another level of faith. Thank you so much. Happy, happy birthday. And may the Lord bless you and continue to give you many, many, many years ahead to continue to be a blessing to the nations.
Hello and greetings from America. This is Jonathan Stidham.
This is Chris Jimenez here.
And we're coming on this video to wish our Papa and our Prophet a happy birthday. 50 years, the year of Jubilee.
Wow, what an amazing time to celebrate you, Papa. Thank you for everything that you do for the family of Christ. Thank you, Father. We are so grateful for your life.
You're such a blessing, and as your sons, we're declaring more. Yes. And we just want to hold up your arms, and we're decreeing the prayer of Jabez, that God would enlarge your tents, that the whole world would continue to be affected by the glory of God that's upon your life. We just say 50 more years of dancing, 50 more years of greater grace, 50 more years of discipling and teaching. We are so thankful for you, Prophet Jeremiah Omoto Pufwente.
So thank you so much for all the viewers on Christ Mercyland. God bless you is our prayer.
Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday.
Prophet Jeremiah Omoto, he is celebrating 50 years, and this is a golden jubilee, and this is one of the men of God that has also affected my life and also sharpened me even in the areas of the prophetic. And I just want to wish him a happy birthday to the glory of God. Papa, we want to say that even in Nairobi, we celebrate you, we honor you as you celebrate this golden jubilee. May your latter days be greater. Thank you for the sons and daughters you have raised globally.
Happy birthday, dear Papa. Happy birthday, dear Papa. Happy birthday, dear Papa. Oh, happy birthday, dear Papa. Oh, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear Papa. Oh, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear Papa.
My prophetic father, Senior Prophet Jeremiah Omoto, right here from ECC, from our Miracle Monday service, we wish you a golden jubilee. Happy birthday. We celebrate your impact.